Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Webull account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel a recurring automatic deposit into your Webull account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to cancel an automatic recurring deposit that you set up anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Sometimes we want to be responsible and set up automatic recurring deposits into our Webull so we can fund our account, but sometimes money's kind of tight, or maybe you change jobs, so you want to go ahead and cancel that recurring automatic deposit. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webull dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Webull account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel a recurring automatic deposit you set up, here on the top right, you're going to click on your profile icon. Once you do that, click on My Account. Once you click there, you're going to see this menu off to the left, and you want to click on this line right here, Transfer Money. All right, once you do that, you'll see another menu, and you want to click here on Recurring Deposit. All right, once you click there, you're going to see the recurring deposit that you set up. You can see mine right here. I'm on a monthly plan. So in order to cancel this, you're going to click on the plan type. So mine's a monthly plan. I'm going to click on. All right, once you click there, it's going to show the automatic recurring deposit you set up. So to cancel this, you're going to click here on the blue cancel button. Okay, next you're going to see this right here. Now you can see I've caught the deposit before it's scheduled. So I'm recording this on the 24th of August. So it's well in advance of the deposit date. So this deposit will not occur. So are you sure you want to terminate this plan? Click on yes. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see terminated right here. So now my automatic recurring deposit that I set up is no longer going to happen unless I come back in here and reset it up. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel an automatic recurring deposit you set up with Webull, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.